Hey guys, this amazing world's smallest hole repair in seconds will blow your mind. As well, this best door drummer lockdown will amaze you. And the crazy fabric shaver, all this and more on this video. So let's begin. Number 1.
So I'm going to use the lint remover to remove it right front of you, and we can see if it gets the job done. So this is it, and this is the sound, and I'm going to use it and show you. So you see, I can hear it. You go in the circular motions, and I can hear a little bit noise when it's moving, and look at the result.
Portable label maker machine.
Long press on-off button to turn on the printer. Before printing, please press the button once to feed the paper first.